fix it. Ahem. Blow away the black smoke quickly. Connect the wire to corresponding position. Pour liquid into the correct tank. Install the gear and the car can get started. Wow, it's fixed. Great job. There's a dent on the car. Let's fix it. First, remove the items with a plier. Suck the dent out. Put on a proper steel plate. Then spray the steel plate with paint. Wow, the car is as good as a new one. Great job. The tire is flat. Let's change a new one. Let's jack up the car. Take off screws and remove the broken tire. Then put on the new tire. Install new screws and fasten the new tire. The tire has been properly installed. Next, let's pump it up. The tire has been replaced. Great job. Great, it's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. Wow! My car is as good as a new one! You are awesome! Remember to fasten your seatbelt when driving!